and counting. This is your silver anniversary with us. It's your 25th performance here at the PIERMONT. So thanks for coming out. Keep your hands together. Let's raise the curtain and welcome back once again, number 25, Mr. Graham Harker.
She's got everything she needs, and it isn't you. A cosmetic arsenal, a bucket of glue, signs on her back that can't keep on the grass, powerful liquor and a hip flask, coins from the Commonwealth, the blues from the sea, a knife in a boot heel, a bonsai tree, ice cream in a pocket, diamonds from a fence. All looks like clockwork, all makes sense to a force of nature. Force of nature. Force of nature, that's what it is. With a clouded leopard on a leash in the shed, the vicious black rodents she calls Fred. She keeps her diary under the bed, but there's nothing in it, 'cause it's on her head. Walking around London with foreign bank notes, throwing some nunchucks and can't drive the slopes. Being impossible, being obscene, being a person you wish you'd be, like a force of nature. That's what she is. But inside her heart, there's this kid locked away in a room, who peeks through the door every now and again and says, "Hey, I'm coming soon," like a force of nature. Inside her heart, there's this kid locked away in a room, who throws a grenade at your feet with such force that it bursts your balloon. A raincoat jingles, your mercury soars, every last move defies gravity's laws. The computer's connected directly to the stars. She keeps her emotions in mason jars, stored in the attic, in a roof near the sky, up in the rafters where the bats fly. Being impossible, being on a roll, being like something you can't control, like a force of nature. Yeah. Force of nature. That's what she is, like a force of nature, like a force of nature, yeah. Yeah, it's been a while since I did that one. As long as I have a little bit more guitar.